राजकारणी आणि बिगर सरकारी संस्थेचे मुखेली महिला काँग्रेसीक जळटा वचत थंय आमकां न्याय मेळटा म्हण आपल्याचेर पुलिशेन कागाळ करतात. मात आमी भिनात. कितले कागाळी केले तरी आमचें काम चालूच रावतलें अशें प्रतिमा कोतिनोन पत्रकारांक सांगलें.
Of IPC, that is section 34 of IPC, Juvenile Justice Act section 74, POSCO Act layla amcher section 23. So section 34 of IPC, Juvenile Justice section 74, and POSCO Act section 23. Now this FIR which is filed on us, especially me, Savitri Kavlekar, the deputy sarpanch of that village, and 2 panchas. And this FIR has been filed by going through the complaint of Raki Naik of Shiv Sena party. अशें दिसता की ह्या दिसांनी राकीक कोण बरो सिनियर एंड वेल एक्सपिरियन्स्ड लॉयर मेळिल्लो आसा पणजे, who is helping and guiding her. Well, as you all know, we had only gone to help, and as I have told time and again, we had gone to help to give justice to the victims. And last press conference, I had categorically said that no matter how many cases are put, how many FIRs are put, we will continue to work. We will not be demoralized, will not get demoralized, will not get demotivated. Will continue till these victims get justice.
आमच्या कामांचेर कोणाच्या पोटान जळटा तांचे कडेन आमकां लक्ष दिवपा खातीर वेळ ना. सगळ्यान व्हड गजाल काँग्रेसीच्या महिलांक तांच्या कामाची पावती मेळत आसा. गोंयच्या बायलांचो आमकां तेंको आसता. आमी ज्या अन्याय जाल्ल्या बायलां खातीर झगडटा तांकां आयज न्याय मेळपाक लागला. माशेलच्या आंकवार आसतना भुरगे जाल्ले तेचे बरोबर तो चलो लग्न जावपाक तयार जाला. हे एक सरकाराक आनी आमच्या विरोधान कागाळी करतात तांचेर थापड आसा अशें प्रतिमा म्हणटा.
Mahila Congress is feeling very, very proud to tell you all we've been targeted with these 2 cases, one from Marcel, second from Sangem. FIR is put, but let me tell you, we are very proud in letting you all know that the first case in Marcel, which we had gone to the Women Commission with the unwedded mother and the small baby, we could manage to get justice for her. And I think this is a very tight slap to the BJP government, to the Women Commission. That boy was also called, and the girl was also called. And there it seems the chairman, that is by Shubha Lakshmi, if I'm not mistaken, they told her to go and get a DNA done. Since Mahila Congress had told Shubha Lakshmi that आमचो पयलो म्हणल्यार मुद्दो ते भुरगे पयले DNA करचे. DNA केले जाल्यार सत्य कितें आनी फट कितें ते भायर सरतले. सो ते दीस ते वतकी आमचेर केस आशिल्ली, समन्स जावन ताका सोमारा आपयलां. हांव समनाक गेल्लें, सोमारा ताका आपयलां आनी ताका खंय ओरली सांगता खंय ती दॅट यू गो एंड गेट अ DNA डन इन कामत हॉस्पिटल. Now Women Commission, government should have given in writing some proof she had to require. She required some proof. I doubt why they told her to go in the private nursing to do the DNA done, to get the DNA done. Why she was not being told to go to GMC? That was one question. Secondly, they were asking her all stupid questions. Wherein in the evening, she was like, Madam, म्हाका अशें अशें सांगलां. हांवें ताका विचारलें तुका ब्रोन बीन कितें दिलां वुमन कमिशन ना म्हणपालें. आनी मागीर तुका तें आपूण वचपा ना म्हणपालें. विथ द डिसिजन दॅट शी हॅज टू टेक अ लॉयर. She got one lawyer. I would not reveal the lawyer's name. And I spoke to lawyer for around 15 minutes. And the lawyer said, yes, madam, we are getting it done. I told the girl, unwedded mother from Marcel, to go with a lawyer to the woman police station, Panjim. Arrest warrant काढलो ते चल्याचेर, where the boy was called. I would not reveal facts what happened in the police station. Arrest one Carlo. Very later, he gave a letter to the Women Police Commission. That girl has sent me yesterday. I would only read, without revealing the names, what that boy has given to the police station. From so and so to the police inspector, Women's Police Station, Panjim, Goa. Madam, I, the undersigned, would like to say that a complaint against me was lodged by dash dash dash, that girl's name, before your police station. I would like to settle the issue with her by marrying her, by taking care of her, giving name to the baby. I have already discussed with her now, and accordingly we have come to a conclusion that we will get married soon. I will see that she stays with me separately in a rented place, and within 2 weeks' time I promise to get married to her before the civil register. This is what I want to show the BJP government. This is what I want to show the Women Commission, that you all have failed, but Mahila Congress has passed here. That girl, the unwedded mother, called me. She was bitterly crying. She thanked the Mahila Congress, she thanked us and said that we'll be getting, आमकां खंय तरी आसरो जालो, म्हज्या भुरग्याक नांव मेळटा मॅडम, म्हाका एक घर मेळटा, म्हाका घोव मेळटा आनी म्हजो रिस्पेक्ट म्हाका परतून मेळटा. No matter what, we are really feeling that inner satisfaction that we could at least settle this one matter. She sent me this copy. She is also sworn an affidavit. She said, I am concerned of as Mrs. Pratima Kutino, Mahila President, is summoned by you all, by the Women Commission Office, which we have learned through the press and media. Women Commission, that Mrs. Kutino was called by me to Women Commission, and hence I wish to inward this affidavit. And later, I'll just read 2 points. Not to be seen with them, with the media, when the media was present and when she was addressing. However, I insisted that I should be there, as I had no fear about revealing my identity, as I am major in age. Last, that all the sundry, including NGOs who claim for fighting human causes, should understand that what I have already suffered and pain and the suffering I have gone through as an unwed mother is much more as compared to revealing my identity, which is in fact was per my will. The Mahila Congress President Pratima Kutino is in no way responsible for revealing my identity, and therefore, and then myself, I myself appeared before the media, being well aware that the news will be published. This declaration is made in order to bring all the facts to light, so that the very same people who came forward to help me and my child should not be targeted without me having any problem on revealing my identity. So this affidavit has already been given in the Women Commission, and one CC is sent to me. But more than this, we are more interested in this because we feel that Mahila Congress has achieved our goal. The first case is already solved.